Let's explore Deuce and Enerbility EHS Academy's 17th Construction Equipment Human Detection System for global sites. According to the 2022 construction industry's serious accident statistics, 12% of fatal accidents were caused by collisions with construction equipment, making it the second most common type of accident after falls. To prevent these dangerous collisions, it is crucial to install a human detection system on construction equipment. The system must be installed on leased equipment like excavators, forklifts, rollers, graders, bulldozers, bobcats, charging cars, jumbo drills, JCBs, and Hydra. A human detection system differs from typical rear warning systems, which can't tell people from objects and often trigger alarms that operators ignore. Human detection system detects only workers near construction equipment, preventing false alerts. Here's a real-world example from our company. For the construction equipment human detection system, remember, it must be installed on leased equipment like excavators, forklifts, rollers, graders, bulldozers, bobcats, charging cars, jumbo drills, JCBs, and Hydras.